Hey guys, it's EJ with Blockpad, and today we're going to take a quick look at symbols. So if we look in the toolbar, we've got the symbol tool here, and if I click on it, you'll see all the different symbols that we've got available. Greek letters, math symbols, a handful of other things. So if you click on one of these, it's going to put that symbol in the text. Similarly, if I open up an equation, I can do the same thing, symbol, and click on it. We'll say delta t equals 5 delta F, press enter, tab over, press enter, and then I can say 100C plus delta T, and I'll get my answer there. Now, if you notice, the shortcut for insert symbol is Control backslash. So if I open up an equation and press Control backslash, that's going to bring this up again, and I can start typing. When I do, it's going to bring me to the associated symbol. So lowercase alpha here, if I capitalize A, then it's going to bring me to the uppercase alpha. Now, when you take your mouse and scroll over these, you'll see the names, how they're stored in Blockpad. In this case, I'm going to type in capital T theta and press enter, and that's all it takes to put it in the equation. I'll just say equals 30 degrees, tab over, and now I can use this just like any other value. So that's it for the symbol tool. The shortcut can be really helpful if you use a lot of Greek letters, so I'd suggest kind of familiarizing yourself with that. In addition to that, there are a handful of functions that Blockpad will give symbols for in math notation. So I've got those here: square root, absolute value, sum, linear series, integral, and summation are all functions that will appear in a special form in math notation. And then finally, Blockpad does allow for Latex syntax for names, so you can really get complicated with how the symbols look inside of an equation. I'm not going to get into how to do that in this video. We'll save that for another time. But I've got these examples here, and I'm going to put a link in the description where you can take a look at these and with a little explanation on how to use it. So that's all I've got for you today. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thank you.